Hello, here Akhil Srivastav teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 5 AP. In this you have already finished the introduction of the AP, what is AP and how will you get the numbers. Now see the examples given in the book. For example number 1 is given, example 1 is given here. For AP 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 AP is given 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, comma dot dot. It is an AP given in the question. In your book it is given. Write the first term A and the common difference D. Very simple. Write the first term A. What is the first term? Solution very simple. What is the first term? 3 by 2 and what is the common difference? That is A2 minus A1. What is the A2? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3, what are you getting? Minus 2 by 2 gives you minus 1. So very simply you are getting the common difference is minus 1. Example 2 is given. Which of the following list is from an AP? Example 2 is given. First part. Which of the following is from AP? If the AP, write next two term. 4, 10, 16, 22. First one is given. 4, 10, 16. 4, 10, 16 and 22. Then 3 dots. It is given. So what is the first term? 4. What is the D1? A2 minus A1. That is 10 minus 4, 6. What is the D2? A3 minus A2. 16 minus 10. You can get the 6. And what is the D3? You can orally check or you find out D3. D3 is equal to 22 A3 minus A2. Here A4 minus A3. What is the A4? 22 minus 16, again you are getting 6. So D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to 6. So it is an AP. If it is an AP, then 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you want to get? Which term? You want to get fifth term A4 plus D. You can write this or A plus 3D. What you can write? A plus 3D also you can write. Both the option you have. A4 plus D, 6 plus 2, 8, 28. Or A plus D, 4 plus 6 into 3D, 18. So what will you get? A plus 3D, 6 3 is. So just here, from here you can get 22 A 5D, A plus 4D. Here 4 not 3D, A plus 4D. 5 4 is, A is given 4, 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So you will get the 22 plus 6 is equal to 28. Or you can find out 4 plus 4 into 6. 4 plus 24 is equal to 28. Any one option you will choose. A6 you can get. A6 is equal to A5. A plus 5D. What is the A? 4. 4 plus 5 into 6. So 4 plus 30, that is 34. So you are getting this. Second part of this is given. Second part of this example is given. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 dot dot. So what is the A? 1. What is the D1? A2 minus A1. What is the A2? Minus 1 minus 1 will give you minus 2. D2? A3 minus A2. What is the A3? Minus 3 minus minus 1 gives you minus 3 plus 1 again minus 2. What is the D3? A4 minus A3. What is the A4? Minus 5 minus minus 3 gives you minus 5 plus 3 again minus 2. So all the D's are equal. All the D's are equal, so you will write D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, it is an AP. It is very important point. If you will not write this, then you can't solve the further. So here fourth, fifth, what is given? A fifth will be minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 plus D, minus 7 plus minus 2 will be what? Minus 9. So you are getting minus 7 and minus 9 is your next term. So it depends on this. You can write A5 and A4, or you apply this formula A plus 4D and A plus 5D. Both the options are there. Next question, third, you see, third part. Third part of this will be what is given? Minus 2 to third part. Minus 2 to minus 2 to and then minus 2. It is given third part. So you want to get the third part. What is the A1? A1 is minus 2, A2 is 2, up to so on. So what is the D1? A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 minus minus 2 will be 2 plus 2, 4. What is the D2? A3 minus A2, 3 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So here not minus, that side will be not plus. So what are you getting? 1 is minus 4. So D1, 4 is not equal to minus 4. So D1 is not equal to D2. So it is not an AP. Question fourth part of this is given. Fourth part is there. What is the fourth part? In this it is given 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 2 2 2. Then they have given 3 3. Again, what is the D1? A2 minus A1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. D2, A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2. What is the A3? A1, A2, A3. 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. You are getting, but you find out 3 also. A4 minus A3. What is the A4? What is the difference you are getting? One more number will be here. So 2 minus 1. You are getting 1. So D1 is equal to D2 but not equal to D3. So it is not an AP. So like this you are getting. There is some examples given. Sometimes you will see it is an AP. By seeing it is an AP, but by seeing it is an 2 minus 2, 2 minus, but when you calculate, your common difference will be not. Number what you want, before that previous number, preceding number must be subtracted from the number. Then all the differences must be same. So here, exercise 5.1 is given. Exercise 5.1. Question number 1 is given. Very simple question, question number 1. Exercise 5.1, question number 1. There is a 3 parts given, in which the taxi fare after each kilometer 15. Question number 1 of exercise 5.1. Question number 1, first part. Your question is, in which of the following does the list of number involved makes the arithmetic progression and why? A taxi fare takes each kilometer, which is rupees 15 for first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. 15 kilometer first kilometer, how much? Rupees 18. And after this each kilometer 8 rupees. So first number is 15 not 18. 15 is rupees for first kilometer, the cost taking 15, and then rupees 8 for each additional. So rupees 8 for each additional when you take, then what will you get? You apply the rule and then find what you are getting. 15 plus each one more kilometer, 8 rupees more. So what is that? It means for first kilometer you are getting 15 rupees. For second kilometer you are getting 15 plus 8, 23. For third kilometer you are doing 23 plus 8, 31 up to so on. So what are you getting here? You are getting the answer simply 15. So how will you know? So you find out D1, 23 minus 15, A2 minus A1, you are getting 8. D2 also you are getting A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23 is again 8. So D1 is equal to D2, so it is an AP. It is an AP whose first term is 15 and the second term you are getting same thing. So it is an AP, yes it is from the AP. So that's you are doing. Today I have finished this one part of the first question. Now we will show that in the next lecture. Thanks.